Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one finally acted human today with a bit of a pullback, so definitely some updates here need to be done. First, what I'm going to do is just get rid of these lines up here. Sure, they still pertain, just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, this area right up here at, let's just call it the $40 mark, was that area of support. But now that the price is broken down below there, that's going to be that initial area of resistance. So there is a little bounce here that's underway. So if this bounce continues, that's where the big initial question mark comes into play. Not necessarily can the price get back up to 40, but more importantly, will the price have enough strength to be able to get above that level and then stay above it? So definitely keep a close eye on 40 going forward. That'll initially be that, like I said, key level of resistance. And then those other red lines that I deleted out, sure, those start to come back into play at that point, but one hurdle at a time. And again, that first key hurdle being, how does the price behave if it can get back up to that $40 mark? In terms of levels of support now, newest level, nothing fancy behind this other than the fact of, where did the bleeding essentially stop today? And that was right down there around the $31 mark. So 31 is going to be that near-term level of support. And then from more so the bigger picture point of view, you'll want to continue to watch that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And the current value of that is right there around, let's just call it the $27 mark. So keep your eye on these levels moving forward. And those are going to be the main technical points headed into Friday. But as you've seen, this one can get very, very crazy. So we'll see how this one plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.